Hello and welcome to Geo Driving School UK. Some of my students are asking me how to deal with the London Colony roundabout in St Albans test routes. So today I'm gonna explain to you step by step how to deal with the London Colony roundabout if you're coming from St Albans and going to the London Colony and you're taking the third exit. So we are approaching London Colony roundabout now. So if you notice, there's a big white sign coming on the left side which says the London Colony is third exit, where you can see the red circle on the circle where it says the restricted to 7.10 lorries only. So we are going third exit. We are coming from St Albans on London Road, approaching London Colony roundabout to take the third exit. So if you see these two road markings here, arrows, so right, because we're turning right, so we're going to take to the right lane. And you can see another sign coming up. So London Colony is on the right side. There's a queue, so we're gonna cautiously approach because there's keep clear sign coming up. So we're not gonna go if there's no space for our car, so we're gonna just wait in here now before the stop line. You only proceed if you have a space for your car. If there's no space, don't move, just stay at here. If you stop on the keep clear sign anytime, it can be a serious fault depending on the situation and you will fail your test. So it's better, don't take any chances, so just stay before the stop lane, before the keep clear sign. Same thing goes for any traffic light or pedestrian crossings or box junctions especially. So only approach or only proceed to the traffic lights if you have a space for your car in the traffic lights when you're going when it's green light, so you can clear the traffic light in one go, so you're not stuck in the middle of the traffic lights. It can be an embarrassing situation. So now the traffic is moving, so we're checking our mirrors. We're moving slowly, approaching in the right lane. Traffic light is green, but it might change into amber, so we're going to be cautious. Yes, it's changed amber now, so we're slowing it down, having a gap from the car in front of us. We're keeping an eye on the mirrors as well. So while you're waiting in the test, you can just keep an eye on the mirrors as well, just to see is there any cyclists coming from the left side, right side, or a motorbike coming up, or anybody moving basically. Because when the cars are stationary, cars are not moving, sometimes the pedestrian, they try to cross the road as well. So always make sure that you are aware of your surroundings. So the traffic light is red. So the good thing is London Colony roundabout is controlled with the traffic light, so you can see. So when you are moving off, nobody's coming from the right side, because rule for the roundabout is people coming from the right side, you have to stop for them. But here we have a traffic light, so when we have a green light, people on the right, they have a red light, so they are not coming. So if you see somebody's coming from the right side and you have a green light, don't stop, because if you stop, you will fail your test. So make sure that when it's green, you move out, and we're gonna keep an eye in the mirror, and nobody's from the right. Traffic is coming, but obviously they have a red light there. So we're gonna go to that lane number 3 here, starting from the far left lane. First, second, they're going straight ahead, second exit. And the third lane is going London Colony. Fourth is also turning right, but fourth is if you're going Hamel or you're taking U-turn. So even the third lane is going Hamel as well. So we're going to stay in this lane and make sure that you don't signal here when you're approaching this London Colony roundabout, because you have to choose the correct lane. So if you're already signaling, that means you're going to go to the far right lane. So it's better not to signal. Just choose your correct lane, stay in your lane, and we deal with it. Now we already passed the second exit, which is on the left side, and the mirror, and we move the car. And now we can see the sign in front of us. We're going to mirror again, signal left, and there's a slip road on the left side. Just come to the slip road. So this is your third exit, London Colony. After exiting, there's a sharp corner here, sharp bend here, so make sure that you are not coming too fast in here. That's a reasonable speed, safe speed, so examiner feels safe with you in the test. So this is how you deal with the London Colony roundabout third exit. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestion, any message, more than welcome to leave a message for me. Thank you. Or is there any other area you want to cover in Hemel area, St Albans area, or Watford, Leighton Buzzard, any area which you feel is difficult to do it in the test? If you're going for the test there, let me know. I'm going to make a video for you as well. All right, take care. Bye bye.